this is our suitcase. Not just tourists. And that is Kyle heading right now towards the Mother Teresa house in the busy streets of Calcutta. It was such a wonderful feeling to meet Sister Nirmala, and the message that we got is like, spread smile and spread love. That is what we need in life. You spread smile, you get more smiles, more joy. You spread love, you get more love. It's such a novelty. We are heading right now. We'll be there very soon in the mother house again.
Zatok mole jabe jana oi namer gaurav rabe na Zatok mole jabe jana oi namer gaurav rabe na Jaldiya kaharo
I happen to be traveling to India and
Jaldiya
come across this organization. I wanted to take a so I just arrived today.
তুমি